you know all about hotkeys, I think. But what I can show you is there is one thing in the hotkeys that I really like, and it's a little bit hidden, which is this one. So it says assign a hotkey, but sometimes you don't know which hotkey to use. Maybe it's used for something, or you use something that's like a Windows feature and then nothing works anymore. A very cool thing is this. On this little arrow to the side, there is F keys, and then there is F13 to F24, which are not assigned to anything. So you have like 12 keys that are literally not on your keyboard, but this way I'm really sure this is F13, and then I go into the other way around, and I do it vice versa. So now I press a button on my Stream Deck, and it assigns it to the hotkey. So usually you assign the key here, and then you do it on your Stream Deck. But because you cannot select F13 here, first put it on your Stream Deck, and then go to whichever tool you want to assign.
That's amazing. I didn't know that those options were even there. Because normally the thing I do is I just try to, hold 3 or 4 keys together in a way that I will never naturally do ever again, and then just assign that.
And if you have like a little cheat sheet to say, okay, F13 to F21 is effect 1 to 12, it's 12 buttons, more than you probably need. And you could also do like Shift F13, Shift F14, Shift, then you have a second row, and then you do Control F13.
Yeah, no, that's great. And I guess the other thing I didn't appreciate was that if I like hold down extra keys and then click that menu, it's sort of like I can go Control Shift F22 and stuff like that. So that's amazing. That opens up a lot of possibilities.
It shows you here, as you can see, so the key you hold, and then now you can assign something to it. When I discovered this was an awesome thing, because I always struggle with these buttons. So there's it.